A hearing in the Supreme Court was held on the restorations of the 4G internet in Jammu and Kashmir. During the hearing, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal said that the will restore services in select districts on experimental basis after August 15. Venugopal said that the threat perceptions in the border regions still remained high and that the impact of the relaxation of restrictions on the internet speed would be assessed in one district of Jammu and Kashmir at a time.
Supreme Court heard the matter of restoration of 4G internet services in Jammu and Kashmir. Attorney General K.K. Venugopal told the Supreme Court that high-speed internet services will be restored in some specific districts in Jammu and Kashmir on an experimental basis. The court was told that the restoration of internet speed in select district of the Union Territory will be done on experimental basis and with strict monitoring after Independence Day. Attorney General Venugopal said that the threat perception in the border regions still remained high and that the monitoring committee would assess the impact of the relaxation of restrictions on internet speed in one district of Jammu and Kashmir at a time. The court was further told that this relaxation will not be effected in any area along the international border of the line of control and would be tried in areas that have low intensity of terrorist activities. On the issue of the setting up of review committee, the court said that a special committee was appointed and constituted by the court and the formation details do not need to be in public domain. The court was clarified that the special committee is one-time measure and will not be one of the substitute the regular committee. When the court elaborated that the regular committee under the statutory rules will remain to be in place, Ahmadi argued that the details of this regular committee then need to be in public domain. The petitioner were represented by senior advocate Huzaifa Ahmadi with advocates Shadan Farasat, Apar Gupta, Vrinda Bhandari and Devdutt Mukhopadhyay. The government authorities were represented by Attorney General K.K. Venugopal and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. On 28 July, the court had asked the centre to verify if Jammu and Kashmir administration has sent any communication to the Union Ministry of Home Affairs for restoring 4G mobile internet services in the region. The centre had filed an affidavit in July claiming that it was not possible to restore 4G services at present. Bureau Report.